Okay, we are going to try this head cam view like we used to in the Peterbilt. It might be too much headrest for you guys. We're testing this new Hero 7 we just bought for this application. I actually bought the Hero 7 to put up here on the dash. So we're going to see how this does. We're going to go up here and weigh the car and get a good accurate good accurate weight of the car, get a good baseline, and see what the old girl weighs. We'll stop over here at the Pilot. Just should have brought my Pilot gift card money. We'll stop over at the Pilot and fill it up, and then put it on the scale and see what she weighs. I think I have the heads up display up there so you guys can see it. Hopefully the camera picks it up. It looks like you can see the left mirror. So hopefully we have this camera set up okay. We also we bought a mic for it, so if this audio doesn't work, I've seen a lot of Hero 7 videos, and the audio sounds great. So we're going to give this a go and see what happens. And I've got it on 30 frames per second. We may turn it up to 60 frames per second. And I've got it set on 1080 and not 4K. I don't think the world's quite ready for 4K. So we will do what we can with what we have there. Come in. And just still getting used to the car. I only have 400 and... let's go look. Well, I think we could be on the screen. 459 miles on it, so still got a little ways to go. And I need to get some seat time in it to learn the car before we take it to the drag strip and start. I was checking my rear view mirror there, and I seen that one turn, but didn't expect the second one to turn. So, and that guy behind me keeps. It seems like he's flashing his lights, but what's happening is this driver's side mirror is tinted, and so when it comes off that tint, his light is real bright. I'm not a fan. I don't know why that's like that. That one over there is not tinted, but the car doesn't brake for you, and it just screams at you. And you can turn that feature off. It's nice socks. So anyway, we'll take a little stroll in the car, go over here and get some, get it, see what she weighs, and so we'll see you guys over there. Ten-speed automatic. You guys ready to kick it? Alright, so there's we're running about 60 right there. Watch this. Pretty wicked little machine there. Didn't really get in it too hard. But you know, we're not killing the car. If we do kill the car, we'll fix it. But I think that break-in period of time, you know, we're not after getting it running and getting it hot. Just a couple of quick pulls. You know, I bought quite a few new cars in my day, and I break them in like I'm going to drive them. I think we need this other lane. And so we're going to break it in like we're going to drive it there, Roger. And besides that, we're fixing to tear the motor apart anyway and build it. At 462 miles on it, we're fixing to order the headers and lose the cats. And then after that, we'll first we're going to take it to the drag strip and run it. Then we're going to put headers on it, lose the cats, drag strip, run it, come back, put a cam in it, tune it, drag strip it, and I had to throw that tune in there because somebody said, oh, you know, you're going to tune that car, driver. Yes, that's correct. So we'll get her tuned and dynoed, and then the plans is put a Whipple supercharger on it and get it all beefed up. Could go there and watch the parking action. This is now a car channel, not a truck driving channel. All right, let's go ahead and get some gas. All right, let's go fill her up. We only run super octane this bad boy. $3.95 a gallon. Skip. Oh, enter you. Gotta learn to read there, come in. Super. We have a gasless gas cap. So we don't really need gas, we're just gonna fill it up to get gas scale weight, you know. The pump sucked. Hope this GoPro 7 shows that orange. I thought it was a Hearst orange. And it's Hugger orange. I waxed it yesterday with microfiber towels, and it's already got spider web in it, which wasn't there. At least I don't think. Could be these LED lights. I just hadn't seen it before. So I don't know. I may have to take it down there and get it ceramic coated. I wasn't going to do it. If it's going to do this right here, I may have to, you know. Okay, we got our gas. She's filled up. Let's go get a weight. What if we should weigh the car without me in it? We could subtract my weight, but I think we'll probably weigh it without me in it. Just get a good baseline of the car. I probably should have done this on a day that my son could have brought his car as well, and we could have put his on the back there, because you can probably weigh 3 cars on a cat scale, or just one, I don't know. So sneak in out of here without getting ran over. Do not enter. All right, so we gotta go up here and turn and come back. Don't want no Swift trucks taking off my hood today there, please. There's your pink truck. These people are gonna look at me like I'm crazy, you know. Let's get this unplugged and get the we have an app. We have a cat scale app because we are truck drivers, you know. So he never even heard me. We could have ran him over. Now this right here is about where the dries would go. Let's make sure we got her centered up. Go out here and get a weight, you know. Okay, so the number is 1629. Done. And what you do is you pull this up, and it will, yep, all that's correct. Truck number, which is no longer there. $11.50, that's correct. You guys like those lights? They're pretty bright. Alright, so car is gonna weigh alright, there we go. 3,980 pounds, 3980. And that's me. I'm on the steer. I weigh 180 pounds. So the car itself, oh, I'm sorry, yeah, the car itself only weighs 3,800. Very good, because that's, so with me in it, the car weighs 3990. Very good. There you go. That's not bad. 3,800 pounds, solid base weight too. And we'll go up there and get the scale ticket. We gotta go up there and get a fuel ticket as well, because it didn't print out the pump. So let's go get it, just for the fun of it. I could print this ticket at home with the printer, but 3,800, I think that's pretty good. We were guessing 3,950, and so 3,800 with me in it. I mean 3,800 with that. Blah blah blah. Anyway, I apologize for the seatbelt chime. I don't have my seatbelt on because we're just going right here. All right, we will reconvene in just a moment. Well, we're just out for a nice, quiet drive. What an idiot. Did y'all see that? I don't think he ever even looked. He just pulled out of there like some kind of stupid moron. I'll tell you, there's some dumb people in this world. Did y'all notice those lights? Those lights were impressive, were they not? These are all LEDs, which is new for the 19 model. We'll show you our lighting one day in the dark. Go on, people. So yep, we're just cruising. Car does fine, normal cruising mode. We're in touring mode, which is the normal mode to drive in. And that's how come my colors are blue. It's kind of a dead giveaway. I got it set to where I've changed, like now I'm going to sport mode, so the color will go red. You guys see that? And then if you go to track mode, it should go orange. And if you go snow mode, snow and ice, I guess it goes to light blue, you know. Then you got darker blue for regular touring mode. So we're just gonna ride around in the dark and put some hours on our light bulbs. Beep beep. See ya. Fernando dog. Mando video action.